First, according to the material list of aluminum ladders at different heights, gather all materials and accessories, and prepare fixtures and tools. Second, place the left and right pillars into the fixture and then place the second pedal first. Step on the pillar and place the longest pedal. Third, pre-drill holes through the left and right pillars. Use a 5.0 drill bit to drill through the second and longest pedals and fix them with 4.8 aluminum rivets. Fourth, insert the pedals in sequence from short to long, ensuring that the gap between the pedals and the column is small. Use a rubber hammer to tighten and then use a fixture hand wheel to tighten. Fifth, pre-drill holes through the left and right pillars. Use a 5.0 drill bit to drill through the holes of each pedal. Blow off the aluminum shavings and fix them with 4.8 aluminum rivets. Sixth, use AC clamp to clamp the ladder feet, vertical groove and horizontal step drill. 2 holes on both sides with a 5.0 drill bit and pull on 4.8 aluminum rivets. Seventh, prepare long, medium, and short reinforcement bars according to the inclined structure of the staircase. Eighth, use a 6.0 drill bit to drill holes through the reinforcement bar holes, and drill 1 hole diagonally opposite each column and each pedal, and use aerovate gun to pull up 5.8 aluminum rivets. 9th, flip to the back. Use a rubber hammer to tap and tighten the fixture hand wheel. Then use a 5.0 drill bit to pass through the column hole position. Drill one hole in each level of pedal, and use a riveting gun to pull on 4.8 aluminum rivets. 10th, use a rivet gun to pull the 5.8 aluminum rivet onto the perforated pedal and pipe clamp. 11th, use a 6.0 drill bit to drill holes through the reinforcement bar holes, and drill one hole diagonally opposite each column and each pedal, and use a rivet gun to pull up 5.8 aluminum rivets. 12th, install the aluminum corner brackets of the ladder head. Insert them into the inner lining plate. Align the perforated corner brackets and columns with the holes of the inner lining plate, and use a riveting gun to pull on the 5.8 aluminum rivets. Thirteenth, install the ladder top cover. Align the opened corner brackets with the top cover holes. Use a rivet gun to pull on 4.8 aluminum rivets, and open to 6.0 holes on each side and pull on 5.8 aluminum rivets. Fourteenth, reinforce the left and right outer sides of the ladder feet open to 5.0 holes at each column foot and pull 4.8 aluminum rivets. 15th, counting from top to bottom in the middle of the rear of the 6th pedal, use a 6.0 drill bit to cut one end. Use a 6.0 bolt and nut. 16th, install the welded rear brace. Assemble it with 10 multiply 60 bolts and 10 flat pads, and insert it into the rear brace shaft tube that has been tapped with teeth through the perforated ladder head angle brace, and tighten it. 7th, after all the above processes are completed, a brand new fruit ladder is born, which will undergo load bearing and appearance inspection, labeling, packaging, and finished product warehousing.